There's tons of geese. So this is it's a cast of AMN AH5027 in New York. It's pretty big. It's an actual Tyrannosaurus. Some of the other ones are the robust and gray solomorph. But this is an actual T-Rex, so it's pretty sweet. In my daughter's favorite part, the mummies. Some more of the mummies.
The result is that some of her bones collapsed and her organs. Medical imaging has revealed that both mummies, although quite different, have excellent mummification practices of the two women. We worked with radiologists and imaging specialists to understand the data we got from the CT scan.
Explore Colorado. Golden Eagle. We actually took a field trip here in what, 5th grade? And maybe it was 4th grade. But we actually spent the night here. It was pretty cool. I slept right here, right by the Golden Eagle. So it's always fun to come back and kind of remember that. Being Friday, I thought it'd be super crowded, but we came as soon as they opened, so we might have lucked out. It's gonna get busy, but that way we can actually kind of show you guys everything. Whoa, look at those eggs.
Take a picture.
I am. Just looking at some bald eagles, and oh, who is that? Alright, too sweet. Whoa, it's all dark. This like sheer drop that we have, as I have to stay directly in the middle because it's just like, I thought my fear of heights was getting better, but apparently not. So Sam, what are we looking for?
We are looking for garden gnomes. Get anything in the pictures.
Yes, there's a scavenger hunt of garden gnomes, and we found one. He's right there. Do you see him? So we found two of these gnomes.
Two gnomes.
There's another one. How old is the Earth?
There's not another.
No, there's not. The gnome, first one is in the video. Oh look, this photograph was taken at Dinosaur Ridge, which we've been to. We have a video of it. Over here we got some. What? Oh, there's a fish in that one.
Stop.
We're looking for gnomes. I actually know where this one is. So we found our third one. It's right up there. This gnome. Yeah, so these are labeled Stygimoloch, but what they've actually found is like so Stygimoloch, Dracorex, and Pachycephalosaurs all are just the same dinosaur, a Pachycephalosaurus at different age. So this would be like a teenage one, and their horns grow out, and then they shrink back in as their dome grows.
Yeah.
That's a recent thing that they found. Oh yeah. It's a lot. It's dinosaurs. We got Diplodocus. This one's 80 feet long. Which makes it the longest that we've seen on our city vlogs. We got Allosaurus and Stegosaurus. Cool story, the Stegosaurus in Canyon City, my great-grandfather actually helped find. Oh, we got a Sam. So we're at this white-tailed deer exhibit, and Sam and I have found the gnome. the trees. So this one was kind of harder. We found it. Let's see. It's right there. You can see his hand sticking out underneath the pond. Oh, somebody tried to break out of the museum, Sam. Wasn't us. They tried to go through the emergency door, and now the alarm's going off. So we have located this next gnome. He's back on the stream, sitting on like a rock. Do you see him?
He's like standing in the water more. Not like sitting on the rock.
So there's our next gnome. Right there, guys. The next elf. Oh, there's another gnome in the salmon stream.
One of Colorado's.
I don't know any of these people.
Tienes que encontrar algo que vean
That's not a mirror. No.
Who are they?
Geese.
Are they mad?
No, there's a ton of them there. It's like birds.